We would like to welcome you to our business owners demonstration on how the My Shopping Genie co-branding feature can help you brand and advertise your business on the front page of all major search engines. This unique product can not only help you advertise on the internet, but we're going to show you how to also make money while helping your valued customers save money when shopping online. What is the Genie? The Genie is a high-tech online shopping search tool that helps your customers find the best deals when shopping for items on the internet. The Genie rides on top of all major search engines, helping them save money by searching deep into the internet to find the best deal. That best deal might be on page 50 or page 100. When is the last time you searched past page 2? The Genie also saves valuable time while making their shopping experience simpler and more enjoyable. You as a business owner can display your brand or logo on this amazing search tool and start showing up on the front page of all major search engines like Google, Yahoo, MSN, Bing, and Ask.com. All you have to do is give the software away to your customers. If that sounds familiar, think back to when AOL gave away millions of free disks. But with today's technology, all we have to do is send them to a link such as www.myshoppinggenie.com/ and the name of your business. It's that easy. Here are a few samples on how you can give away free genies. Flyers, tickets. As we said, the Genie rides on top of the search engine, so we don't have to change the searching habits of your customers. As you can see on this live demonstration, the Genie rides over the top of all major search engines. As a business owner, can you imagine that you have the opportunity to have your brand displayed with major companies like Amazon, Costco, Walmart, eBay, and Buy.com? There are 5 key points that I would like to make. Number 1, your brand shows up every time your customer does a search, no matter what they are looking for. If you're a realtor and your customer is searching for shoes, you show up. If they search for a TV, you show up. Number 2, your logo or brand, when displayed, is a live link to your website or coupon offer. If you don't have a website, we provide a web page for you that can be used for information like store hours and location, or use our coupon maker to help you distribute your coupons. Number 3, you pay no pay-per-click costs, no matter how many searches your customer does. Number 4, when they save money, they will share this technology with their friends and family, and now you have your brand on their computers for potential new customers. And number 5, you will earn customer loyalty because you are helping them save money. So let's recap some of the features and benefits of co-branding your business on the Genie. Brand visibility on all major search engines, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. No pay-per-click advertising or search engine optimization costs. Links to your website or your coupon offer. Instant connection from your customers to your products or services through your live link. If you have ever ran a search engine advertising campaign on just one search engine, you are well aware of how expensive this can be. You as a business owner pay a pay-per-click cost for that search engine to send you traffic with no guarantee of making a sale. How would you like to earn pay-per-click money helping your customers save money on things that they were already going to buy? The average household does 85 searches a month. The average active Genie pays you between $3 and $4 per month per Genie. Ask yourself, how many of these could you give away? If you had free memberships to Sam's Club or Costco to give to your customers, how many of those could you give away every day? Those membership clubs have between 12 and 15,000 items. We direct traffic to over 30 million items on the internet. As a business owner, you can get paid for directing traffic to your own business. If you gave away 200 Genies in a month, this is what you would get in return as a business owner. First of all, 200 Genies at the average of 85 searches per household per month would result in 17,000 free impressions advertising your brand on the front page of those major search engines. When your customer uses a Genie to help them find the best deal online, you will earn an average of $3 on each Genie for pay-per-click income only. That would result in you earning $600 in 1 month, helping your customers save money on things they were already going to buy. Can you imagine the income that you would earn if you consistently gave away 200 Genies a month? I have talked to business owners that say they see hundreds of customers a day. What's your number? By now you have to be asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Well, here's the best part. A one-time license fee of $199 and a low maintenance fee of only $29 a month. That's it. You can now give away as many free Genies as you want with your brand that links to your offer with no limits. It's very seldom as a business owner that we have a chance to get ahead of the curve, but this opportunity is presented to you now. I would like to thank you for your time and hope that you will take advantage of this amazing business opportunity.